In the hustle and bustle of modern life, convenience is key, especially when it comes to maintaining a healthy diet. This NutriBullet Go Portable Blender promises to be your ideal companion for a quick and nutritious blend, whether you're at the gym, at work, or on the road. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this blender is engineered to meet the demands of a fast-paced lifestyle. Here's an in-depth look at what makes the NutriBullet Go stand out, and whether it's the right choice for your blending needs. One of the most attractive features of the NutriBullet Go Portable Blender is its compact, portable design. Available in 4 vibrant colors: black, white, silver, and red, this blender combines style with functionality. Its 13-ounce Tritan blending cup is not only sleek but also incredibly durable. Made from high-quality Tritan plastic, the cup is resistant to cracks and breaks, making it perfect for tossing in your gym bag or purse. The lightweight design ensures that you can carry it effortlessly, while the included to-go lid allows you to blend and drink from the same cup, minimizing mess and cleanup. Here are some unique aspects of the NutriBullet Go Portable Blender. Cordless convenience. The blender's cordless design makes it incredibly convenient for blending wherever you are. No need to worry about finding an outlet or dealing with tangled cords. Durable construction. The Tritan blending cup is built to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it ideal for an active lifestyle. Fast blending. Its powerful motor and high RPMs, the NutriBullet Go ensures quick and efficient blending, so you can get on with your day without delay. Rechargeable battery. The long-lasting battery is perfect for busy individuals who need a reliable blending solution that doesn't require frequent recharging. Don't let the compact size fool you. The NutriBullet Go Portable Blender packs a punch. With a 70-watt motor base and a powerful 18,000 RPM blade, this blender is capable of whipping up smoothies and protein shakes in no time. Whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, or protein powders, the NutriBullet Go ensures a smooth and consistent texture every time. The efficient motor and blade system handle both soft and hard ingredients, allowing for versatile blending options. The NutriBullet Go is designed with on-the-go lifestyles in mind. Its 2200 mAh battery charges in under 3 hours and offers up to 20 blending cycles before needing a recharge. This impressive battery life ensures that you can make multiple smoothies or shakes before having to plug it in again. The convenience of a rechargeable battery makes this blender ideal for travel, whether you're heading to the office, the gym, or even on vacation. Simplicity is a key feature of the NutriBullet Go. The blender's user-friendly design means you can start blending with just a push of a button. The included user guide comes with recipes to get you started and tips for optimal use. Cleaning the blender is equally straightforward. Just rinse the blending cup and lid, and they are dishwasher safe for added convenience. The motor base can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. The NutriBullet Go Portable Blender excels in versatility. It's perfect for making personal-sized smoothies, protein shakes, and even simple sauces or dressing. Whether you need a quick post-workout smoothie, a nutritious breakfast on the go, or a refreshing drink during your commute, this blender has you covered. The compact size also makes it a great option for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices where space is limited. While the NutriBullet Go offers many advantages, it's important to consider a few limitations. The 13-ounce capacity may not be sufficient for larger servings or multiple servings at once. Additionally, while the blender is designed to handle most ingredients, it may struggle with extremely tough items or very hot liquid. It's best suited for cold or room temperature ingredients. Conclusion. In summary, the NutriBullet Go Portable Blender is an excellent choice for those who need a reliable, compact, and powerful blending solution. Its combination of portability, performance, and convenience makes it a standout option for busy individuals who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on quality. The blender's sleek design, durable construction, and impressive battery life add to its appeal, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Pros: compact and portable design, powerful 70-watt motor with high RPMs, durable Tritan blending cup, rechargeable battery with up to 20 blending cycles, easy to use and clean. Cons: limited 13-ounce capacity, not suitable for extremely tough ingredients or hot liquid. For a convenient, stylish, and efficient blending solution that fits perfectly into your on-the-go lifestyle, the NutriBullet Go Portable Blender is an excellent choice. Experience the ease of blending anywhere, anytime, with this versatile and user-friendly blender. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.